morning. It is Friday, November 21st, 2025. Woke up here in Loreto. It's a nice and slightly cloudy morning. We're not expecting some rain till later this afternoon, according to the weather app. So right now it's about 8 in the morning, slightly earlier / later start to the day, whatever, however you want to think about it. But we're gonna go get some breakfast at the breakfast they have here in the hotel, and then head out in a bit after that. So let's get some food in our bellies. Just got done with breakfast. Delicious and filling. Now we're taking the stairs back to our room to freshen up the last bit before we head out to explore. Ooh, morning workout. So we're gonna go explore. It's pretty cold right now. Got my double layer going on. I have a hat attached to my bag here in case it rains, but I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of the see your breath kind of morning in the chill. It's about, let's see, 9 degrees Celsius, about 60 degrees here. So right now we're headed to really what the main attraction is of Loreto. If you can see here, hold on. Right over this ridge here is the Basilica. It is said that is where the grotto, or where the Virgin Mary, this is where basically she was announced that she's gonna be the mother of Jesus. So we're gonna go visit that area and surrounding areas, and yeah, see what else we can explore. So we're about where the kind of like the business commercial area of town is. A lot of stores are still closed. It's close to about 10 o'clock, so I figured I think they're going to open up close to about 11 o'clock. Basilica of the Holy House. Kind of being restored, refurbished at the moment, but it is beautiful. Behind it is a large dome. That's where usually the altar is, and then this is the plaza area we're in right now. It's pretty quiet here, and then right behind me is the fountain of, I think, Moderno. I'll put the names down here correctly in the corner so that you guys could actually know where I am, because my pronunciations and stuff is going to be pretty horrible. Just saying right now. As luck would have it, we actually were able to participate in Mass. We didn't know what time is where they're going to be held, so we just came at the right time, I guess. So. All right, just came from inside the Basilica, got myself a little tiny souvenir at the gift shop. Now I think I'm gonna try to find the Santa Scala Holy Steps, or their version of the Holy Steps here. So. Now, when you're inside the church, they actually prohibit you from capturing video and photography once you're within the altar for, just to keep it, safe. Also, I'll insert a picture here of how the little chapel inside that holds the chair of the Virgin Mary, where she had the Annunciation there. So I will put that here right now. And then, yeah, that's how it looks like. You can go in there, pray, sit for a little bit. If you walk across the street in the back of the basilica, this is the version of the Scala Santa, Holy Steps. So we're going to go down and then come back up. And at the end, you actually can see this one here. It's kind of like a little bit off the path, but it's across the street from like a St. John Paul II statue. It's kind of like a little round kind of area. And then you kind of go down there and just walk. Now, Google Maps actually has it like located further down the street here, but I think this is the actual steps as it is going up. Now, you won't necessarily find this unless, you're actually looking at the map or kind of doing the research on, exploring Loreto. If you're with a tour group, you won't necessarily, see this. You'll probably be staying within the basilica. So, go explore. Community of Loreto, Park of Remembrance. Oh yeah, and also while we were inside the basilica, we actually saw a Filipino tour group. What are the odds of that? Yeah. Yes.
Okay, 2 tickets.
Yes, please. So if you're looking out at the terrace towards the basilica, in the back corner here, at the other end of it, is a doorway that'll lead you upstairs to where the museum is. Not too many people there, we were the only ones there, so which is nice. There's like 10 rooms all together with artifacts here and there. And yeah, you know me, I'm a sucker for a good museum, so if you're into that as well, check it out. The hours for the museum are from 10 to 1, and then I think from 3 to about 6 p.m. And regular admission is about $8. If you're 75 and older or 13 and younger, you get in for free. Now I hear there's a little military aviation museum here as well, so we're gonna check that out. But look at these views right now. You're surrounded by such a wide, vast of a valley. Look at that. All right, I just double checked on the Aeronautical Museum hours, which good thing I checked on Google. They're actually just open on Saturdays and Sundays, and we're here on a Friday, so we won't be able to go. But that's another cool place to check out if you're here in Loreto, besides, the Basilica and the surrounding areas. Right now, we're just moseying around and just checking it out. It's pretty neat because the streets are kind of empty right now, if you could tell. So that's pretty cool. Also, fun tip, Loreto is not that far from the ocean actually, probably 30 to 45 minutes by car, or no, by walking, and I think less than 30 minutes by car. So right there, you can see the horizon where the ocean is, so that's pretty cool. It's a bit cold to actually go to the ocean today, so sun's coming out a little bit, which is nice. It's still cold though. Proper sit-down menu here. Ooh. All right, let's see what they have. Norma. And then what This is our first actual sit-down meal since we got here. It's a good choice. This is one of the restaurants that was recommended to us by the receptionist at the hotel. I think this is a Trattoria Norma. I'll put the description down there. So we both got pastas we're going to share and see how that tastes. But I'm sure it's going to taste pretty well. So. Just got back from our lunch/dinner. It was pretty fulfilling, pretty good. I had the ravioli with porcini mushrooms, and Mama J had the tagliatelle with porcini mushrooms as well. It had like a nice olive oil sauce to it, but really good. Recommended. Trattoria Norma. It's really like just steps from the basilica in a little kind of alleyway behind the square. Gonna take advantage of the sunlight while we have it. It's nice and toasty warm. Earlier it was like cloudy and dreary. back to the basilica for a little bit. It turns out you could actually go behind where the altar chair is in the little chapel. So pretty nice to go back there. The clouds are coming back. It is getting colder, and I think we're gonna head back to the hotel. It's close to about 4 o'clock now, and a lot of the shops are reopening for the evening. So you see a lot of the souvenir places ready for business for the evening afternoon crowd. Alrighty friends, back here in the hotel. It's nice and chilly out. Very, very cold right now. We lucked out on the weather. Got to explore all the places that we need to. It's a very small town. The main thing is the Basilica of the Holy House of the Virgin Mary and a few other spots there. The only thing we couldn't really see is the Aeronautic Museum because we're here on a weekday and they're only open on the weekend, on Saturday and Sunday. So if you are around here during the weekend, check it out. From what I read, it is free admission, and it's a pretty neat little place to visit. But aside from that, the restaurant we went to, Trattoria Norma, very good food, highly recommended. I recommend it. And so we will call it here in Loreto. Thank you so much for joining Mama J and I. Hope you had a good and fantastic time. Gotta, wrap things up here, prepare, as we will be traveling to our next destination, which would be Assisi. And so, with that, I hope you are all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I will see you all next time. Take care.